Hello students, good morning to all. Today we will be studying the chapter number 4 of your EVS textbook, and the name of the chapter is A Story of Amrita. So this is a story about a girl named Amrita. We will read and understand the story. A Story of Amrita. This is a story from long, long ago. Jodhpur is located in Rajasthan. Near it lies a village called Khejari. Why is the village named Khejari? The village got its name because many Khejari trees grew there. The people of the village took great care of the plants, trees, and animals. They used to say, if trees are there, then only we can survive. So, students, this is a story of many years ago. There was a village named Khejari in a place named Jodhpur in Rajasthan. So why was this village called Khejari? Because there were many Khejari trees in this village. It is a type of a tree. ખેજાડી કરીને એક ટ્રીની ટાઈપ છે જેવા બહુ બધા ઝાડ હતા આ વિલેજમાં, એટલે આ વિલેજનું નામ જ ખેજાડી પડી ગયું. And the people of this village took great care of the plants, trees and the animals. They used to say, if trees are there, then only we can survive. એ લોકોનું શું માનવાનું હતું કે અગર ઝાડ છે તો જ હ્યુમન બીંગ્સ જીવી શકે છે. સર્વાઈવ કરવાનું એટલે જીવી શકવાનું. Amrita's friends. Amrita would get up early every morning and greet her friends, the trees. She would choose a special tree for the day and put her arms around the tree trunk and whisper, "Friend, you are strong and beautiful. You care for us. I love you very much. Make me also like you." Then the trees were Amrita's friends. She used to wake up early every morning and greet her friends. એટલે મળવા જતી એના ફ્રેન્ડ્સને. ફ્રેન્ડ્સ કોણ હતા? ટ્રીઝ, રાઇટ. She would choose a special tree for the day and put her arms around the tree trunk. એટલે એ કોઈ સ્પેશિયલ ઝાડને ચૂઝ કરી લેતી એ દિવસ માટે. એન્ડ ધેન શી યુઝ ટુ પુટ હર આર્મ્સ અરાઉન્ડ ધ ટ્રી ટ્રંક. એટલે હગ કરતી ટ્રી ટ્રંકને, ગલે લગાવતી. એન્ડ ધેન શી યુઝ ટુ વિસ્પર, એટલે એકદમ ધીમેથી કહેતી, "Friend, you are strong and beautiful. You care for us. I love you very much. Make me also like you." ને પછી એ ઝાડને શું કહેતી કે ઝાડ તું તો બહુ સ્ટ્રોંગ છે ને બહુ સુંદર છે, તું બધાનું બહુ ધ્યાન રાખે છે ને હું ખૂબ જ પ્રેમ કરું છું તને. મેક મી ઓલ્સો લાઈક યુ, મને પણ તારા જેવું સ્ટ્રોંગ અને બ્યુટિફુલ બનાવી દે. Like Amrita, other children also had their special trees. They would play for hours in the shade of the trees. અમૃતાની જેમ બીજા બધા બી બચ્ચાઓ હતા ને બધાના સ્પેશિયલ ટ્રીઝ હતા. સો એ લોકો બહુ બધો ટાઈમ સુધી ટ્રીઝની શેડમાં રમ્યા કરતા, એટલે ટ્રીઝના છાંયડામાં રમતા બહુ બધા ટાઈમ સુધી. Trees in danger. Time went by. Amrita was now grown up. One day she went to greet her trees. She saw some strangers there. હવે ટાઈમ પાસ થઈ ગયો. અમૃતા પહેલાં એક ગર્લ હતી. નાવ શી ઇઝ ગ્રોન અપ એન્ડ શી બીકેમ અ વુમન. એન્ડ વન ડે વેન શી વેન્ટ ટુ ગ્રીટ હર ટ્રીઝ, એટલે એક દિવસ જ્યારે એના ઝાડોને મળવા ગઈ, શી સો સમ સ્ટ્રેન્જર્સ ધેર, કે અજાણ્યા લોકો દેખાયા એને તો ઝાડ આગળ. They had axes with them. They said that the king had sent them to cut the trees for wood. The wood was needed for building the king's palace. And the people that the strangers were having axes, કુલ્હાડી હોય ને તે હતી બધા સ્ટ્રેન્જર્સના હાથમાં. Because they had come to cut the trees. Why? Because wood was needed for building the king's palace. કિંગનું જે મહેલ છે એમાં બનાવવા માટે વુડની જરૂરત હતી, એટલે કિંગે માણસો મોકલ્યા ઝાડ કાપવા માટે. Amrita was shocked. She went to the tree that the men were about to cut. She put her arms around the tree and hugged it tightly. The man shouted and threatened her, but Amrita did not let go the tree. Then Amrita was shocked, એટલે ચોંકી ગઈ અમૃતા એકદમ કે આ ઝાડ કેવી રીતે કોઈ કાપી શકે છે. Then she went to the tree that the man were about to cut and she put her arms around the tree. See, you can see in the picture, અમૃતાએ કેવી રીતે હગ કરી લીધું છે ટ્રી ટ્રંકને કે પેલા માણસો નહીં કાપી શકે ઝાડને. But then the man shouted and threatened her. એટલે ગભરાવી અમૃતાને કે છોડી દે તું ઝાડને. But Amrita did not let go the tree. The king's man had to follow his order. They had to cut the tree. On seeing this, Amrita's daughters and hundreds of villagers, old and young, hugged the trees to protect them. Many people, including Amrita and her daughters, died to save the tree. But the king's men had to follow his order. But on seeing this, Amrita's daughters and the other villagers also came and hugged the trees to protect the trees. But the men had to follow the orders. So on that day, Amrita, her daughters and many other villagers died saving the trees. બધા મરી ગયા. Amrita, any daughters and the other villagers, they all died. When the king heard of this, he could not believe that people gave up their life for the trees. He visited the village himself. There he saw the deep feeling of the villagers towards trees and animals. Then when the king heard of this, કિંગને જ્યારે ખબર પડી કે આવું થઈ ગયું છે વિલેજમાં, he could not believe, એને તો વિશ્વાસ જ નહીં થયો, that people gave up their life for the trees, કે લોકો મરી ગયા ઝાડને બચાવવા માટે ખાલી. He visited the village himself and he saw the deep feeling of the villagers towards the trees and the animals. ને પછી એને જોયું કે વિલેજર્સનો કેટલો લગાવ છે ઝાડ ને એનિમલ્સ પ્રતિ. The village is protected. The villagers' strong feelings for trees affected the king greatly. He ordered that from then on no tree would be cut and no animal would be harmed in that area. પછી જ્યારે કિંગને ખબર પડી આ બધી વિલેજર્સની સ્ટ્રોંગ ફિલિંગ્સ માટે, then he ordered that from now on no tree will be cut and no animal will be harmed. એને ઓર્ડર કર્યો કે હવે પછીથી કોઈ પણ ઝાડ નહીં કપાશે અને કોઈ પણ એનિમલને કંઈ પણ નુકસાન નહીં કરવામાં આવશે. Even today, almost 300 years past, the people of this area called Bishnois continue to protect plants and animals. Even though in the middle of the desert, the area is green and animals roam about freely and without any fear. Then even today, 300 years પછી પણ જ્યાં લોકો છે જે વિલેજર્સને બિશ્નોઈઝ કહેવાતો, it is a type of a caste. They still continue to protect the plants and the animals in this area. And even though this village is in the middle of the desert, Rajasthan એટલે desert, every one of you know, right? And this village is in the middle of the desert, but still it is green and the animals roam around freely and without any fear in this area. ડેઝર્ટની વચ્ચે આ ગ્રીન એરિયા છે હજુ પણ after 300 years, and still the trees and the animals are protected in this area. So I hope my students have understood this story about Amrita, how she, her daughters and the villagers sacrificed their lives to save the trees. And still today, this village is prosperous with full greenery and the animals are unharmed in these areas. I hope all of you have understood this story. Thank you. Goodbye.